Alright, hello and welcome to a new video. So today I'm just demoing the City of God drum kit. You can purchase it in the description. But mainly this is just a sample from Splice that I threw some drums on, and then I'm just going to switch the drums around. But most of these sounds you guys have already heard, because in my tutorials and my streams I use this kit mostly. And my other kit, this one right here. So I'm just going to change some of the sounds, and if you guys want, follow me on Twitch. The link is down below. I'll be giving out some free kits on stream on Twitch soon-ish. Alright. Alright, so as a bonus, you're gonna get the hi-hat midis. So in my first kit there was 1 through 7, I think. So now you'll just get all 14. And I'll also put these transitions in there. So the link will be in the description. Follow me on Twitch, I'll give out some free kits. Thank you for watching.